Hello friends, last lecture we have to detail study in chemistry carbon and its compounds. In last lecture some important alkanes, their representations of organic compounds. First 10 alkanes, first example methane, second ethane, third propane, fourth butane, fifth pentane, sixth hexane, seven heptane, 8 octane, 9 nonane, and last decane. In case of representation of organic compound, there are main three types of representation. One, straight chain or linear chain. Second, branched chain, and last, cyclic ring chain hydrocarbons, in which cycloalkanes and aromatic compounds like benzene. Today we have to discuss new point, homologous series. So first of all I will discuss some important example and then explain the definitions and properties of homologous series. So example, alkanes. First methane, second ethane, third propane, butane and pentane. According to homologous series, CH4 no difference, C2H6, C2H6 minus CH4. These neighboring members are differ. One CH2 group. Second C3H8 minus C2H6. These two neighboring members are differ by only one CH2 group. Next C4H10 minus C3H8, only one CH2 group, and last C5H12 minus C4H10, only one CH2 group. According to homologous series, the homologous series shows the series of organic compounds containing same functional group but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is methylene group, known as a homologous series. Homologous series shows that the characteristics of organic compounds or compounds of organic compounds same functional group but neighboring members, successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is these two neighboring members are differ by mass, molecular mass 14, carbon atomic number 6, molecular mass 12, hydrogen atomic number 1, molecular mass 1. 1 carbon mass number 12 and 2 carbon mass 1 into 2, 2, total 14. That is the successive members are differ by molecular mass 14. It is also known as a homologous series. Look carefully. The series of organic compounds contain same functional group but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is the methylene group, known as homologous series. Some important characteristic properties of homologous series. The homologous series show same functional group, same general formula, similar chemical properties but different physical properties. Because the molecular formula increases is an homologous series, the physical properties changes. This is because the melting points and boiling points increases with increasing molecular mass as well as density changes. And last, the successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. I will repeat the physical properties again. Same functional group, same general formula, similar chemical properties because the same functional group, hence similar chemical properties but different physical properties because molecular mass increases, melting point as well as boiling point increases, and last, the neighboring members or successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. Another example, alcohol. CH3OH called as a methanol, no difference. C2H5OH called as a ethanol, these two successive members C2H5OH minus CH3OH, one CH2 group, then C3H7OH propanol minus C2H5OH gives one CH2 group, and last C4H9OH minus C3H7OH only one CH2 group. In these three structure, successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. Hence, definition again prove the same molecular formula, same functional group, but successive differ by only one CH2 group. In this structure, same molecular formula, same functional group, alcohol as a functional group, all structure, but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group known as a homologous series. Next example, what is the molecular formula of first fourth higher homologues of ethyl alcohol, and next second low homologues of butyl alcohol. बघा, what is the molecular formula of fourth higher homologues of ethyl alcohol, next second low homologues of butyl alcohol? Answer, first fourth higher logs of homologues of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol structure CH3 CH2 OH. Fourth higher homologues, that is add 4 CH2 group the structure of ethyl alcohol. Hence the new structure CH3 CH2 total 2 carbon ethane, add 4 CH2 group 1 2 3 4 CH2 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 CH2. The new structure form total 6 carbon atom CH3 CH2 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 CH3 OH called as a hexyl alcohol. म्हणजेच इथाइल अल्कोहोल मध्ये आपण 4 CH2 ग्रुप ऍड केले, इथाइल अल्कोहोल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू हेक्साइल अल्कोहोल. Second question answer. Second, low homologues of butyl alcohol. Structure of butyl alcohol CH3 CH2 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 OH, but second lowest homologues, that is 2 CH2 group, remove the butyl alcohol. The new structure is CH3 CH2 OH called as the ethyl alcohol. बघा, ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल मधून तुम्ही 2 CH2 ग्रुप रिमूव्ह करणार, म्हणजेच ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू इथाइल अल्कोहोल. CH3 CH2 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 OH, 2 CH2 group remove, the new structure is CH3 CH2 OH called as a ethyl alcohol. According to homologous series, the series of organic compound containing same functional group but succeeding members, neighboring members are differ by only one CH2 group known as a homologous series. In case of homologous series, same functional group, same general formula, same chemical properties, but succeeding members are differ by only one methyling group as well as different physical properties like melting point, boiling point, and densities. Another example, write homologous series of aldehyde. Write homologous series of aldehyde. Functional group of aldehyde C double bond OH or CHO. General formula of aldehyde CN H2N plus 1 alkyl C double bond OH. Okay, aldehyde. Put N is equal to 0, C N 0, H2 into 1 0, but plus 1 means only one H, H C double bond OH, one carbon called as a formaldehyde. Second, N is equal to 1, put 1, C 1 H2 into 1 plus 1 3, that is CH3 C double bond OH acetaldehyde. Next, N is equal to 2, C2 H2 into 2 4 plus 1 5, that is CH3 CH2 C2H3 plus 2 5 C double bond OH called as a propanal dehyde. And last N is equal to 3 CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond OH called as a butanal dehyde. N is equal to 4 CH3 CH2 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 C double bond OH pentanal dehyde. These two succeeding members are differ by only one CH2 group. Also, these two members differ by only one CH2 group. These two members differ by only one CH2 group. According to homologous series, same molecular formula, same functional group, but neighboring members or succeeding members are differ by only one CH2 group. मी पुन्हा रिपीट करतो. Definition of homologous series: the series of organic compounds contain same functional group but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is methylene group, known as a homologous series. Properties: same functional group, same general formula, similar chemical properties, different physical properties, and successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. Next example: alkane, general formula CnH2n plus 2, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. These two members, successive members are differ by only one CH group. Similar, these two members differ by CH group. Also last, these two members are differ by CH2 group. Thank you.